Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming core requirements. Install the exact Samp client version the server requires and make sure your GTA San Andreas executable is the expected build. Once done, verify Visual C++ redistributables and DirectX are present since missing runtime libraries often cause immediate crashes. You should also disable overlays and background recorders before continuing. These conflict with injection hooks. This first step sets a stable baseline, so troubleshooting. Next, isolate conflicts by running Samp with a clean game state. Move all mods to a backup folder and launch using the original GTA SAW. DAT and no custom scripts. You do this because many texture, audio, or Clio modifications alter memory layout and cause crashes only in multiplayer. Once Samp runs clean, reintroduce mods one by one, relaunching after each addition to spot which mod triggers the crash. This systematic approach pinpoints the exact source without guesswork. Finally, apply the fix identified. Remove or patch the offending mod, or replace a mismatched Samp/GTA executable. Then verify stability by playing for at least 10 to 15 minutes to ensure the crash is resolved under normal load. If problems persist, enable Samp debug output and collect logs to analyze error codes and memory addresses. Make sure to clear the game cache and flush DNS. If nothing works, a clean reinstall of the Samp client and a verified GTA copy is the last reliable step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.